Okay.
Luckily, it's a nice day today because we drove out to Nick's parents' place last night. Yeah, we got here last night and woke up. It's gorgeous again today. It's probably going to be another super hot day. But we are planning on, we're getting married next week, and we are planning this week just getting all of our ducks in a row, cleaning the ambulance. We didn't clean it all winter. Like, it was filthy, if you haven't seen. And yeah, and then the inside is like really not that clean either. So today is our cleaning day for the van, and I'm so excited to just get it clean. It's been smoking hot outside, like 34, 36, 37 degrees, and super, super hot in the van, and we just like kind of want to like declutter, get rid of stuff, or at least put it underneath, just like, oh, I just want to clear it out and get it clean. So that's the plan for today, and let's get started. And we have a helper! We're babysitting today! Best helper ever! Let's clean this van! Things that we've learned while cleaning the ambulance. Number one, baby doesn't do well in the... Freya! Is it nap time? Okay. I think it's nap time. I'm sweating so much. The thermometer says 40 degrees. Are you gonna say hello?
Hello.
So we put our knee...
Like duck down for this.
Sorry.
What if we were this height? Like both this height?
Then we would be the same height. You look so tan compared to me. This is SPF 60.
This is nothing.
This is getting burnt. So I put our niece down because she was getting kind of grumpy, and like I put her down like an hour earlier than she normally goes down. So I just ran in here, whipped up some nachos, and then realized we didn't really have any vegan cheese, so I tried to make like a vegan cheese sauce, and we're gonna eat that. Nick, what are you doing? Laundry?
Yeah, just gonna finish this last bit of laundry and then we can eat.
Okay.
And then I gotta go back out and wash the
Yeah,
back end of the van.
well, while she's down, we'll take advantage of it, and then we'll wash it together.
Rachel is just looking for a hot glue gun because she is going to make some stuff for the wedding for Freya, and I'm going to wash this whole back section here. I've finished up the cab and like the front tires and all that. So yeah, gonna wash all this back section and on the other side too. And yeah.
I just want to say I have a new appreciation for family YouTube channels or mom YouTube channels. I don't understand how you would film and take care of a child at the same time. It's very hard. I would say near impossible. Now we're going to be doing the inside of the van, and pretty exhausted. I'm ready for a beer.
I've already had one. Say a couple, but I only had one.
And then you're helping your mom just go get her truck, right? So Nick is gonna go help family do family things again. I'm gonna clean the inside of the plant-based ingredients.
So remember, start up high. Like the cupboard.
Well, I need to take everything out first. Slippers are not going to be necessary for this goddamn heat. So on TikTok, when people ask me questions, you obviously have to answer them, but like to answer them, you have to get it all in like 50 seconds or whatever it is. So I write notes for the stuff that I have to say. Yeah, those are more TikTok notes. So I have those all over the place. But I'm pretty ready to just get them out of here. This stuff can just go. Oh my god. I don't think we've done this maybe ever. How's it going, baby?
It's going.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. Who's ready for some curry pot pie? Well, it was gonna be butter chicken pot pie, but then I didn't put chicken in it, and then I also put chickpeas and peas and all sorts of things, so. Butter chicken inspired vegan pot pie. I'm like, this was in the oven for so long, but it just like wasn't cooking because I put like garlic and butter on top of the pie, but then the butter just melted into the pie and the garlic just burned.
We need to put all of our sheets on the bed, put the bed back together, make the bed, fold our clothes, put our clothes away.
And then I need to make Freya's flower girl basket. And then we need to get all of our stuff that's been stored here for the wedding, and we have to take it into the van with us for this week.
Okay, well, it's just been a hectic evening. Rachel and I were having dinner, and eventually I was still inside, and she came inside to talk to me, and she was like keeled over in pain. And you know, at first we just thought that it was just like stomach cramps, but they started to get worse, and I freaked out and thought that maybe it was appendicitis. So we started to drive to the hospital, and then we got like halfway there, and I guess the pain kind of subsided, and she was like fine, and she didn't want to go there anymore, so we turned around. I think she's feeling better now. She's kind of stretching out, but obviously I have to keep an eye on her and make sure that she's okay. But yeah, just like super hectic. Yeah, I can't even think straight. There's still lots to do in the van. Everything's mostly clean, but it's just like getting the sheets on the bed, organizing all the clothes, organizing all the stuff that we took out. So, like, there's still lots to do. But, like, it's, like, just past 9 o'clock now, and both of us are just, like, exhausted. But, I mean, we kind of need to prepare the van. I don't know. I want to call it quits for the night, but maybe I'll get a second wind and try and get some stuff done. But yeah, it's never a dull moment, man.
Oh my god, we're so tired after yesterday. I don't know if Nick told you guys last night, but like, I was having really bad stomach pains and stuff, so I'm feeling a little better today. I'm actually getting my hair done today, yay! For the first time, I think, maybe in 12 years. I'm not even joking, other than me doing it myself. And right before we leave today, I do want to finish the Flower Girl basket for my niece, just because there's a hot glue gun here and everything, so I'm really trying to get everything together this morning. Feeling exhausted, but I'm gonna push through and be beautiful at the end of the day, hopefully. So, yeah. And then I got her little like petals to throw, so we'll put them in here. There's actually lots of room in here, so we can put the petals in here and then we can help her throw them. I'm blonde! I mean, I was blonde before, but I'm much more blonde now, and after many hours and a whole day later, because yesterday after I was done the appointment, it's a very long story actually, but basically I had to go to someone else, not the original person I was going to go to, and then after I was done the appointment, I just like ran to the van and we had to go to bed because I had to work this morning, worked all day today, and now it's like 8 p.m. but we're just making dinner again, and yeah, then we're gonna go enjoy it outside. Honestly, it's been just so crazy, like it's been absolute craziness, but it's a beautiful day and I'm blonde as heck. This isn't the final look. There's gonna be more, but this was the big one. After I'm like, I was telling the hairdresser, I'm like, I literally have been doing my own hair for I think 10 years, so she had a lot of color correction to do. So yeah, anyways, we're starving. Let's eat and try to catch a sunset.